Hello everyone, you are welcome. So today we will see that I have created one library vue-lasso and I have put it this on npm. So this is a free-form lasso and marquee selection for view 3 plus a Photoshop style image lasso that cuts pixels out of any image, headless code, zero dependencies, fully typed, SSR safe. So this is what I am doing is I have put it in on npm and you will use and let me know how it goes. Okay, so here I have one showing one demo that how it can be used. Okay, so this is select dom elements. So what I am doing is lasso, then here I have selected this and you can see this is marquee. I'll clear this and then you will see like this, and then you have intersect it was let contain and clear, and then it here you will see one contains like this. So there are multiple things into this. What I'll do, let's do one thing, clear, intersect, and here what I will do is I will just like this, and you can see 8 points. Okay, so like this 8 of 140 points. This is works on anything scatter plot. Now we will do is we will cut a region out of an image, so we can do like this, and you can see this one. Now we will do crop box and we'll do this one, and you can see this one, right? So this is the one demo, and this is github. Okay, so here what you can see that this is github, so you can go through the this one, and here this is demo, so you can use the demo folder to run this and see how it works. So thanks for watching. Stay connected to Eros Overflow.